Lancius Imle, CEO of Bhoi Superstar, announced today that the grand finale of Season 2 will be held on January 15 at the Umsning Auditorium Hall, starting at 3 p.m. The event will feature 15 contestants competing for the title of Bhoi Superstar, showcasing their talents in singing and dancing. Special appearances by prominent actors and actresses from the Khasi community, along with other performances, will celebrate the artistic talents of Bhoi's youth. The competition, organized by LS Imle Production, aims to nurture local creative talent.
Nila penlong ikan ika Bhoi Superstar nak kementa bangin jit dan bangin wat ya kisamla do sap hakarwai hakashat dan bat kiwi benta ti menta nila dep semifinal haki penai adep bat menta pat ngiwan kompetip cepi bangin sepelong no ya ke grand finale kemanlong haka kasan tarik menta penai Januari hapo auditorium hall Umsning. Nah kalian jongi ni kwa ban kerpat pi kipajba bas mubha banwan lem hakatigas ngi ban ailem ka jikasan ya kisamla don sap jong kadong kathan jongi namar ba ka jingwan ka jongpi kan ai musim ki namar ba ki pardo pasnam jongi lada ki perform ki shat ki wala dam don nong pai lada pi pingwan basaki maki kindo musim te nakalian jongi kumbangi kwa he ban sei ye ta ki reu don sap bakin wan chakmat.
Indian Council of Medical Research